I think as we go through life, you experience things and you come across things that set off a trigger. And I think, as your due diligence is to figure out why, is to dig deeper. Okay, that's a soft spot. Why is that a soft spot? Okay, let's see. Oh, it might be connected to blank and blank and blank, and then really kind of address those things. Like I said, I'm super stubborn. At times can be like, nope, nah, I'm not going to do this because I don't like digging into my emotions, but I had to dig into my emotions to actually say like what I said about my trauma, right? It took me years, like at least 5+ years, to even verbally out loud say, I was physically abused. I was emotionally abused. Because I'm like, that's not what emotional abuse is, right? Although I did have like a bruise on my arm when I got thrown against the wall, like, that's not physical abuse because it wasn't like a punch, right? So it's like coming to terms with what it is a totally different thing, and speaking it out loud is a totally different thing. So first off, props to you, for acknowledging that and saying it, because you could have just been like, I'm done, goodbye, I don't want to talk to anybody, I'm shutting down. But you came back, and even right now you said like, look, I was still crying, but I was talking about why you left. That's like growth in itself, you know what I'm saying? So it takes somebody who's strong enough to actually say, this is this. I'm going to call it what it is, and I'm going to say it out loud in front of people, to really show who you are. So